feature importance. Which features matter most? When you hand a model 20 or 100 features, some drive the predictions and some are just along for the ride. Random forest can tell you which is which. Let's see how with actual data. Here's the key formula. At each node in a tree, the importance of the feature used at that split equals the fraction of total samples at that node times the impurity drop. The impurity drop is the parent Gini minus the weighted average of the left and right child Gini values. The fraction of samples matters because a split at the root sees all the data, so it contributes more than a split deep in the tree. We sum this across every node where that feature is used, then normalize so all importances add to 1. Finally, we average across all trees in the forest. Now let's apply this to real data. Here are 20 weather observations with 2 features, humidity and wind speed. We're predicting rain or no rain. Blue dots are no rain, red dots are rain. Notice the pattern. Rain tends to happen when humidity is high and wind speed is low. But there's noise, so no single rule is perfect. We'll train a random forest with 3 trees and compute feature importance from scratch. Here's tree 1. The root splits on humidity at 5. All 20 samples enter the root with a Gini impurity of 0.48. The left branch gets 10 samples, 9 no rain and 1 rain, Gini 0.18. The right branch gets 10 samples, 3 no rain and 7 rain, Gini 0.42. Now let's compute the importance of this humidity split. 20 over 20 times the quantity 0.48 minus 10 over 20 times 0.18 minus 10 over 20 times 0.42. That gives us 0.18. The right branch splits again on wind speed at 4. 6 samples go left, all rain, Gini 0. 4 go right with Gini 0.375. The importance of this wind split is 0.135. Normalizing, tree 1 gives humidity 0.57 and wind 0.43. Tree 2 splits on wind speed first. The root, cut at 4, separates most of the rain points. Wind's importance here is 0.3. Humidity only appears at a deeper split with importance 0.038. Normalize, wind gets 0.89. Tree 3 also starts with wind at 5. Wind's importance is 0.32. Humidity splits the left branch with importance 0.094. Normalize, wind gets 0.77. Now we average across all 3 trees. For humidity, we average 0.57, 0.11, and 0.23. That gives 0.30. For wind speed, we average 0.43, 0.89, and 0.77. That gives 0.70. Wind speed is the more important feature overall. Why? Because it appears at the root in 2 out of 3 trees, and root splits see all the data, so they have the biggest impact. Feature importance has 2 big uses. First, feature selection. If some features score near 0, drop them. Your model gets simpler and faster. Second, model understanding. Even with a complex forest, important scores tell you what drives predictions. In a medical model, knowing blood pressure matters more than shoe size confirms the model learned something real. To summarize, feature importance measures how much each feature reduces impurity on average across all trees. Root features score highest because they see all the data. It's your tool for understanding and simplifying ensemble models. That wraps up Module 3, from bagging to boosting to feature importance.